What is happening, team? Welcome back to Mississippi Dash, and it is Tuesday evening. It is 5 p.m., and we're getting ready to go back to our daily dashing. I haven't dashed in a little while. The last video I put up, I did my first Spark experiment. That was a lot of fun, and I did happen to get that fixed this evening. I had a problem trying to get into my branch account, and they reached out to me, got me a different link, and then it worked out. So now we'll be able to use Spark more often. And I'll be honest, I'm probably going to go heavy on that eventually because just the money was just so good that first shift. And I don't know, we'll experiment along the way. I'm sure it'll get better as we go. But we got to go do our dashing this evening from 5 to 7. We're going for our daily 30. So Tuesday, come along with me. Let's do a ride along. Let's get moving. All right, we're in the car, getting ready to go, getting ready to open up our dash, and we got our checklist here. Make sure when you get in the car, you've got a charger, you've got plenty of gas, and then you've got a couple snacks along the way. I got these apple pies. They're like 400 calories for each one. I love these damn things. And then, of course, make sure you have a classic beverage. It's great to have beverages like cola. All right, let's activate our DoorDash account, and let's see what orders we get. So I got 2 orders as soon as I opened the app, but they were, way too good for me to take. They were like $3 for 3 miles, and I only accept ones that are, perfect, and those were way too perfect though. So, I declined those. All right, so I managed to get my acceptance rate up to like 52%, but that apparently denying those last 2 orders just dropped me down to 51. I don't know if there's any case that I'm going to stay above 50 for very long. So we'll see if that even drives any orders to me this afternoon. All right, sweet peppers, $5.50, going 1 mile. Let's go get it. All right, order was ready as soon as I walked through the door. So let's go get this delivered. Let's see if the building is C. Heck yeah. All right. Let's get this delivered. All right, easy peasy on that one. Let's get back in the car and see if we can get another order. All right, Lost Pizza, $11.50 for 5 miles. Let's go get that one. That's a good order. All right, so Lost Pizza kind of dropped the ball on that one. I did have almost a 10-minute wait, but we're not in any kind of hurry today, and I'm excited to go get this delivered and then come back. It'll put us at like 17 or a little over that, and then we'll try to get 1 to 2 more before 7 o'clock when my wife gets off of work. I gotta go to the grocery store and get some meat to cook some dinner. What's funny is DoorDash prompted me, like they were like, it seems like a long wait. You could be earning right now if you'd have done hourly. I get that, DoorDash. I'm not doing it. Not worth my time. All right, so that order took us pretty out of the way. It took us out of the zone. Only a 5-mile drive, but because it took us out of the zone, I had to drive back. So now I'm waiting on 1 more order, but it is Tuesday. It's pretty slow. It might just die, but if that's the case, that's fine. That put us at 17. I'd love to have 1 more, but if not, that's okay. We'll head home if it gets, if we don't get anything, because I gotta go to the grocery store anyway, and I gotta fix dinner for the wife before she gets home. So anyway, let's see if we get another one. All right, so we're parked outside of the busier part of town. It's about 6:30. I'm gonna wait here for about 10 minutes or so, and if I don't get an order, I'll probably just call it a night. All right, so I just ended the shift, and I'm headed over to Kroger. Tuesday night, 43 minutes of active time. We did $17, so that's not horrible, but you know what? For a Tuesday, it's pretty much expected. What I'm really looking forward to in the coming, say weeks or days is I'm going to open up the Spark app during the regular week to see if it's possible to do like $30 for 1 hour. And I don't mean active time. I mean like 1 order, I do $30. I think it'll be worth it. But that's really like the plus side of doing DoorDash is the everyday money. So when you finish a shift, you get your cash. It's right there available. But with, Spark, you got to wait an entire week for that money to be put onto that branch account. So that could be a plus or a minus, but I do think I'll make more money with Spark in the long run. So be looking forward to, more videos with Spark. And you know what? That's all I got today. I'll see y'all tomorrow.